Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a zebra. This is a zebra. A zebra. A zebra is a wild animal. The next animal is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. This is a lion. A lion. The next animal is a lion. The next animal is a rabbit. A cow. This is a cow. Is a farm animal. This is a cow. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. A tiger. Elephant. This is elephant. Elephant. The next animal is a deer. This is a deer. A peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock. The next animal is a horse. This is a bird. A duck. This is a duck. The next